Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Okay. In the last topic, we successfully completed the first lesson, India Relief Features. Okay. Going for the keywords which we have discussed in the first lesson, they given the keywords of perennial rivers. First keyword given. Coral reefs. Dunes. Shivaliks. Angara land. Laurentia. Gondwana. Coastal plains. Peninsula. Purvacha. Okay, these are the keywords which are given in your textbook. These are the keywords which are given in your textbook. You see the first keyword, perennial rivers. Already I told you about the perennial rivers. Perennial rivers. The continuous flow of water throughout the year is called perennial river. I told the example also, BIG, Brahmaputra, Indus and Ganga. Okay, this is about the first keyword. Coming to the second keyword, coral reefs. Lakshadweep Island are called coral origin. Coral reef is nothing but a bank of coral, the top of which we can see sometimes above the sea. Coming to the next, dunes. If you know already dunes. Okay, the valleys which are lying between Lesser Himalayas and the Shivalik is called dunes. Kotli Dune, Patli Dune, Dehradun. Come to next, Shivalik. The southern part of Himalayas is called Shivaliks. Next, Angara. What is the another name of Angara? Yes, good. Laurentia is the another name of Angara. Laurentia. Okay. 200 million years ago, we have only one continent, Pangaea, that was broken up into two landmasses. The northern part is called Laurentia, also called Angara. Okay, you have to be know. And the southern part is called Gondwana. Our India belongs to the Gondwana land. Okay. Come on, next, coastal plains. We discussed about the coastal plains. Eastern coastal plain towards the Eastern Ghats, Western coastal plain towards the Western Ghats. Eastern and Western Ghats are the gateways of the East and West coastal plains. In Eastern coastal plain, we have the Bay of Bengal in Western coastal plain along with the Arabian Sea. Peninsula. A stretch of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. Okay, India is a peninsula. The division of Himalayas along in Arunachal Pradesh behind Dihang Valley is called Purvachal. Okay, these are about the keywords which I have discussed earlier. Coming to the second lesson, ideas of development. Ideas of development. Coming to the second lesson, okay, we will discuss about the development activities. This lesson, we will discuss about the developmental goals, different categories of persons. We will discuss about these developmental goals for different categories of persons. Next, about the Kudankulam project, and we will discuss about the how to compare the countries and states in development activity, and we will discuss about the public facilities, and we will discuss about the last HDI, Human Development Index. Okay, these are the we can learn in this ideas of development. Okay, developmental goals for different categories of persons we will discuss in this chapter, and about the nuclear power project, Kudankulam project. Okay, Kudankulam nuclear power project. Okay, we can learn. The next we can learn about the how to compare the countries and states in development activity, and we will learn about the what is mean by public facilities and what is mean by HDI, Human Development Index. Going to the lesson, everyone has its own desires for the development. Yes or no? Yes. Everyone has own ideas for the development. We all have many desires about the development. For example, we all have a desire about how we would like to do, what we have to do for the development. We all have desire, and also we have how we would like to live. Also we have a desire, and how the country should be, how the country should be. Okay, we all have a desires about how we would like to live, how we would like to live for better life. Is there any equality among the people? Okay, we have a desires in these aspects. So next, how we would like to live, how to live for better life. We have a great desires. Okay, and next, how the country should be. Yes, we have a lot of desires about the country in the economic. Okay, for the development of people, about the equality in people, we have a desires. Okay, for going to the lesson, we'll discuss about the different goals for different categories of persons. Different goals for different categories of persons. Here, categories of persons and their aspirations or desires. Aspirations or desires are goals. Okay, first they given about the landless rural laborers. Okay, landless rural laborers, village labor works. They are working on other field. Okay, they are getting only some wages, getting 300, 250, 300 based on their work. They have to work from morning to evening in the field. Okay, what are their goals? You see how the goals should be for the landless rural laborers. They don't think about the aeroplane, they don't think about the cars, because they have low income only. They have low income only. They think about the goals of better wages. Okay, they think about the better wages. I want good prices for my work. Better wages for their work and more days of work. More days of work. You can see the village laborers, those who are working on other fields, they will work only for 180 or 210 days in a year. Okay, they will get only 180 days of work only. The remaining days, okay, they get a problem of not getting the work in the village. That is why the goal should be better wages. They want to get better money for their work, and they have to be more days of work. And the local school should provide a quality education for their children. Okay, his or her children will not study in the international schools. Have a position of study for the children in the local schools only. That is why they have a normal goal. They have a goals according to their work. If my children should study in the local schools, and they have to provide a quality education to my children, and they will start that there is no discrimination among the people. They don't want should be a discrimination among the people. Farmers. Okay, prosperous farmers. Okay, prosperous. Okay, prosperous means rich farmers. Okay, prosperous means rich farmers. You know already how the goal should be for the rich. They want to come high income. Higher supporting price for their crops. Okay, the rich farmer, they have to get high income. Okay, for higher supporting prices for their crops. Their crops should be a great demand. Their crops, whatever they irrigated, should be a great demand in the market, and they have to get a high income for their crops. And they have cheap laborers. They have to get a cheap laborers. Yes. See here, landless rural laborers, they have to get better wages and more days of work. But rich farmers, they have to get cheap laborers, those who are working for low salary. Okay, they want that type of goal. They have to get the cheap laborers. If they get cheap laborers, then we can work more and more days, and we can get some money for them. Okay, if they get cheap laborers, the rich farmers, they want high income, a high family income for their high family income for higher supporting prices of the crops, and they want to get the cheap laborers. These are about the two categories of persons. Farmers who depends on rainfall for growing crops. Yes. Farmers who depend on rainfall. What is their goal? Okay, you have to write in your textbook. What is their goal? Okay, this monsoon, southwest monsoon or northeast monsoon, should bring a good rain for their crops. Okay, they have to get a good rains for their crops. Government should announce higher supporting price. Okay, we discussed in the 9th class, MSP, minimum support price. Prosperous farmers and landless rural laborers. The rich farmers, they want cheap laborers, but the landless rural laborers, they want high income for their work. And next you see, farmers who depends on rainfall for growing crops, they want to get good rains. They want good rains in a year, and they want to get higher supporting price. Higher supporting price for their crops. This is the goal of farmers who depends on rainfall. They want to get good rains in a year for their crops, and they want to get whatever, and they want to get higher supporting price for their crops. And come to the next, rural women, landowning family. Okay, rural women from landowning families. The rural women, the village women, which the land, the rural women, the goal of the rural women from the landowning family, see how to get a good water facilities for their crops, and they want to get the crop loans. They want to get the crop loans for their needs of fertilizers, pesticides, etc. This is about the goal of the rural women from landowning family. Okay, from in the family, the village women has a desire of to get good water facilities for their irrigation, and they have to get the crop loans in which crop loans for their needs of fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Okay, come to the next, urban unemployment youth. Yes, urban unemployment, those who does not have jobs, they want to get a good jobs and better wages for their work throughout the year. And the government should provide for self-employment for them, and this is the goal of the urban unemployment youth. They have to get a employment with a good, better wages, and the government should provide self-employment for them. Now the next, a boy from rich urban family, lead a better life. He can lead a better life, and his goal should study in the great colleges in India, or he should go to the abroad for their studies. This is a type of the goal, a boy from the urban rich family. A girl from the rich urban family, her goal is the same. She should get a great freedom in her home, like his brother. She also should study in the reputed colleges in India or in the abroad. She wants a great freedom about deciding their life. She had a freedom about deciding her future. This is about a girl from a rich urban family. An Adivasi from mining field. Look at the textbook. Okay, what is the next category of persons? Adivasi from mining field. Okay, here is goal should be a good environment in their work and good health. The desire should be a good health and they could get a good remunerations, bonus, and their children should get a quality education. This is the goal of the Adivasi from mining. They have to get a good environment for their work and good health, and also they have to get a good remunerations and a bonus for their work and quality of education for their children. Next, last one, category of persons. A person from fishing community. A person from fishing community in a coastal area. Say it's a fishing community. What is their goal? As they have to catch more and more fishes, and they should protect from natural calamities like cyclones, tsunamis. Okay, and create protection for their boats, machine boats. These are the goals of fishing communities in coastal area. They have to catch more and more fishes in a day, and they should get a protection from natural calamities, and there is no damage of their boats. These are the goals of fishing community. So we discussed everything in this topic. First of all, we discussed about the landless rural laborers and prosperous farmers. We discussed about the urban unemployment youth, a boy from rich urban family, a girl from rich urban family, a rural from land owning family, and Adivasi from the mining field and fishing communities in coastal areas. By this we can understand different persons have different goals for their development. Yes or no? Yes. Different persons have different goals for their development. Sometimes the goal should get a conflict between the persons. You see, for example, rich farmers, they have to get cheap laborers, but those who are working rural laborers, they have to get high wages. See, these two are conflicting each other. Similarly, sometimes the goals of different persons are conflicting each other. I told the examples of rural landless laborer and rich farmers. Okay, they have to get rural laborer, they have to get a high income for their work. Rich farmer, they have to get cheap laborers. These two are conflicting with each other. Now only I told different persons have different developmental goals. Yes, all persons should not have same notion of development. Same idea on development. Everyone should have different ideas for their development. Come to the next. Two persons are groups of persons may see things which are conflicting. If you take the example of this second point, a boy from a rich urban family, he will get a great freedom. Similarly, a girl from the same family, she also have to get a great freedom like his brother. She also have to study in the abroad. At last, she shares the responsibilities for their family. But this does not like by her brother. This get a conflicting with two persons in a same family. Similarly, the government should plan for the building of the dams. But there's a lot of land which are submerging because of the constructing of the dam. This may disturb the lives of peoples such as farmers and tribals. In the picture, in your textbook they giving the picture hunter gatherers. Okay, we have hunter gatherers for hunting for gathering, searching the food and hunting. We have 2 lakh years, only 12,000 years ago, the agriculture was started. After 2 lakh years, we have same type of development, hunting, gathering and hunting, hunter-gatherers. They are living a nomadic life, going from one place to another place. They live in the caves. There is no technology at that time. With 2 lakh years, we have hunter-gatherers only. After that, agriculture was started in just 12,000 years ago only. The modern industry was started just 400 years back only. Now we are in the industries, modern industries, which is known as the workshop of the world. England is called workshop of the world. Industry was started by in England only. Okay, this is about the topic. Okay, first of all I told, okay, ideas of development. In this lesson we will discuss about the development activities of different persons, about the Kudankulam nuclear power project and public facilities, and how to compare the countries in development activity. And at last we will learn about the HDI, Women Development Index. First of all we discussed about the development. Everyone has their own desires for their development, like how we should like to live, how we have to get a good work for the better life. Is there any equality among the people? What are the essential things I want in my life? That are the desires which have every person's. And also we discuss about the different goals for different categories of persons. First of all, we discuss about the landless rural laborers and prosperous farmers. And next we discuss about the person who depends on rainfall. They want to get good rains and high supporting price for their crop. And the rural women from landowning family also we discussed. And at last we discussed about the unemploymented youth. A boy from the rich family also discussed. A girl from the rich urban family also we discussed. And next we discussed about an Adivasi from mining field we discussed. And at last we discussed about a person from the fishing communities in coastal areas also we discussed. What is his goal? He want to get a good catching of fishes in a day. And there should be a great protection from the natural calamities. There is no damage of the boats while they are traveling in the sea. These are the goals. These points, different persons have different developmental goals. As we discussed in this topic, 2% of groups of persons may see things which are conflicting. We discussed about a rich urban family. We discussed about the boy and girl. Boy will get a good freedom. Similarly, the girl should get a good freedom, but his brother does not like that. There should be a conflict between two persons. Similarly, I told if the government should construct more and more dams, this will submerge the fertile land of farmers and Adivasis. There should be a conflict with the government and farmers. Hunter-gatherers, we have 2 lakh years ago, and the agriculture was started just only 12,000 years only, and the modern industry was started in 400 years ago. How we are developing? First for the hunter-gatherers, we came towards the agriculture, and now we are using the industries. Okay, this is about the ideas of development. Hope you understood very well. Okay, but in the next class we will discuss about the Kudankulam nuclear power project.